If you drive a Hyundai Elantra, eventually your key fob might stop working. But before you call for help, let's try some quick fixes together. First, the most common culprit, a dead battery. Key fob batteries usually last a couple of years. If yours is weak or dead, swapping it out for a new CR 2032 battery can do wonders. Next, double-check that you're not too far from your car. Sometimes, distance or obstacles like walls can block the signal entirely. If changing the battery doesn't help, look for physical damage. Dropping your key fob or exposing it to water can break the internal circuit board. If it looks damaged, it might need replacement. Now make sure your car isn't to blame. If the car's receiver is faulty, like after a blown fuse, the fob won't connect. Try your spare key fob if you have one. If neither works, the issue could be with the car itself. Finally, remember that sometimes the key fob just needs to be reprogrammed. Check your owner's manual or ask your local Hyundai dealer for help with this step. So before you stress out or spend money on a new key fob, try these simple steps first. Chances are you'll be back on the road in no time.